guys, welcome back to another video. So I have not finished the difficulty chart of yet, but I'm going to make a video today. So I will be teaching you how to make a data store in Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your game is published. Once you've done that, click on the game settings, click on security, and then click on enable studio access to API services. This will allow Roblox data stores to communicate with the game. Then click save. Once you're done with that, you want to insert a script into server script service. You can name the script whatever you want, but for this tutorial, I will be naming it data store. Now you can type the code write the code that I'm writing on screen in the script. Local data store service equals game : get service data store service. Local data store equals data store service : get data store. You can put the data store for whatever you want, but for this tutorial, I will be putting it to stats data store. Stats data. Then I'm going to add a comma and add 1. What this is doing is that it's the first data store. So if I have stats and I change the number to 2 or anything other than 1, it will reset the data store. It's basically a way, instead of having to change the data store key. Now you want to do game.players.player_added : connect function player. Local leaderstats equals instance.new. Folder leaderstats.name equals leaderstats. Nope. Leaderstats. Leaderstats.parent equals player. Local coins equals instance.new number value. Coins.name equals coins. Coins.value equals 0. Coins.parent equals leaderstats. So what that is doing is creating a new number value, and then it's going to name it coins, and it's going to set the value to 0, and it's going to parent it to leaderstats, which is parented to player. Now you want to do local data, local success, error message equals p-call function. Data equals data store : get async player.user ID. If success, then print, then coins.value equals data. Print successfully loaded player.name data. Else print there was an error while saving. When saving player.name data. Warn error message. So what this is doing is just creating the data store and the leader stats and the coins, and then this is loading it. Now we want to do game.players.players removing. So that is going to be saving the data. But before we do that, if you'd like it to randomly save the data, like every 60 or 2 minutes, every 1 minute or 2 minutes, then you can do the following. While wait math.random 60, 120. Data : set async note. Local data, local success, error message equals p-call function. Oops. Data equals coins data. No, wait, no. Data store : no, come on. I can't type today. Data store : set async player.user ID. Coins. If success, and print successfully saved player.name data. Alright, now we can make it autosave. So you want to type the following into your script: game.players.player_removing connect function player. Local coins equals player wait for child leader stats. This, you don't have to do this, but this will avoid errors because sometimes it will take a bit for it to add the things, and when you just do leader stats, it will just instantly put an error because it's not a valid member yet. So this will wait until the leader stats is a valid member of player. Wait for child, coins, local data, local success, error, message equals pcall, function data equals data store, set async, player.user_id, coins, player.leaderstats.coins.value. If success, then print successfully saved player.name data. If you're wondering why we have to wait, why we can't just do whenever the stat gets changed to save, well, that's because it will Roblox limits the amount of requests to the data stores to prevent it from crashing. Now we have our data store script. Let me just make a little coin so I can add stats to myself. Alright, gonna add a script. Local part equals script.parent part.touch connect function player. If you're wondering why I did enabled equals false, it's so that it won't keep repeating. So enabled, I'll put if enabled equals false, then part player dot local I have to do a little more code. I'm not familiar with this yet, but player game.players get player from character hit. Perfect, now we have it. Local coins equals player. I'm just going to move this up here. Alright, now let's test out our data store. It should be working, but I'm going to test it out to show that it works. So we have our leader stats, everything is working. Wait. Oh, there's a spelling error, so it won't work. I have to fix that real quick. Alright, now it should be working. Alright, now I'll go to the part. And I have a coin. Now once I leave the game, it will say data successfully saved. It might not, but it will save. See, it says successfully saved my data. Alright, now let's play. And as you can see, it saves your data. Alright, I'm gonna do it one more time just to show that it works. And while I do that, I'll start the outro. Oh, let me show that this actually works. Like, if I go walk around, I can't get it because enabled is true. Alright. Well, to show that it works, I'm going to start the outro while I wait. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It would help the channel out a lot. But anyways, that's all for today. Bye. Well, once this works. Alright. See, it works. Bye.